Good day, class. So for today's lesson, we will talk about operations on rational numbers. So let us first define what is a rational number. So rational number, it is a number that can be expressed as the ratio of two integers. So kung matatandaan nyo, ratio, it can be written in a form of fraction. Let us now identify the two types of fractions. Yun yung similar and dissimilar fractions. So, unahin na natin ang similar fractions. So, similar fractions. These are fractions with the same denominators. So, konting review lang. Denominator, yun po yung nasa ilalim ng fraction at yung nasa ibabaw naman, ang tawag natin doon ay numerator. Okay, let's have an example for our similar fractions. Meron tayong 2 over 7, 6 over 7, 3 over 7, and 5 over 7. So, kung makikita nyo, pare-pareho po sila ng denominator. Another example, 4 over 15, 11 over 15, 7 over 15, and 8 over 15. So, kagaya lang nung una nating example, no? Pare-pareho din po sila ng denominators, which is 15. Kaya tinawag na similar fractions. So, how do we add similar fractions? Paano nga ba tayo nag-a-add ng similar fractions? So, for example, we have this given 1 over 9 plus 4 over 9. Okay? Tatandaan nyo lang po, kapag ka nag-a-add tayo ng similar fraction, ang first na gagawin, you just have to copy the denominator. Ayan. Kopyahin lang yung denominator natin. Tapos po, i-add natin yung numerator. 1 plus 4. Okay. Then, solve. So, 1 plus 4 is 5. Then, denominator natin is 9. So, ang ating final answer ay 5 over 9. Ayan po. Next example natin, 5 over 12 plus 7 over 12. Again, same denominator. Copy lang. Copy the denominator, which is yung 12, then add natin ng ating numerator. 5 plus 7. Okay. 5 plus 7. So, 5 plus 7 is equal to 12, then ang ating denominator is 12. So, 12, kung mapapansin nyo, no, ang ating fraction, pwede natin siyang i-lowest term or i-simplify, no? 12 over 12, or 12 divided by 12 is equal to 1. So, our final answer is 1. Next example, we have negative 3 and 2 over 7 plus 6 over 7. Kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong mixed number dito. So, kapag meron tayong mixed number, gawin muna nating improper fraction. So, paano natin gagawing improper fraction ito? So, first na gagawin, copy muna ang ating denominator, which is yung 7. Yan. Next, multiply natin ang ating denominator sa ating whole number. So, 7 times 3. 7 times 3, then a-add natin dun sa ating numerator. So, 7 times 3 is 21, plus 2 is 23. So, wag natin kakalimutan ang ating negative sign. So, negative 23. Ayan. Next, ayan, copy muna natin yung second fraction. Ayan. Then, kapag na-convert mo na into improper fraction, ito, proceed na ngayon tayo sa addition. Kagaya lang nung ginawa natin dito sa mga dalawang nauna. So, you just have to copy the denominator, which is 7. Then, add the numerator. Negative 23 plus 6. Kung matatandaan nyo sa ating laws of integers, diba? Yung mga sign, Kapag meron tayong unlike sign, subtract, then copy the sign of the bigger number. So, sasubtract natin ngayon to. Negative 23 plus 6. Subtract natin. 23 minus 6 is 17. Then, copy the sign of the bigger number, which is ito, negative. So, negative 17 over 7. So, this is now our final answer. Next, how do we subtract similar fractions? Okay. So, ito po ang ating given. 8 over 11 minus 15 over 11. So, kagaya ng sa addition, same process lang din naman po yung sa subtraction. Ang pinagkaiba lang nila, yung sign. Kung kanina plus, ngayon naman minus. So, copy the denominator, which is 11, then subtract numerator, 8 minus 15. Ayan, 8 minus 15. Okay. So, subtract natin, then copy the sign of the bigger number. So, 8 minus 15 is 7. Copy the sign of the bigger number, which is yung 15. Kunin natin si negative, kaya 8 minus 15 is negative 7 over 11. Okay, this is now our answer. Ganun lang po mag-subtract ng similar fraction. So, here is parang summary no, ng addition and subtraction of similar fractions. So, here's the format for addition. A over B plus C over B is equal to A plus C over B. So, ulitin ko lang. So, copy the denominator, no? Copy the denominator, then add the numerators. Where B is not equal to 0. Hindi pwedeng maging 0 si B o hindi pwedeng maging 0 yung ating denominator. Kasi, pag naging 0 yung denominator natin, magiging undefined na yung sagot. Kaya po, hindi pwedeng maging 0 ang ating denominator. Sa subtraction naman, A over B minus C over B is equal to A minus C over B. Copy lang po ulit ang ating denominator at subtract ang ating numerator, A minus C. Kagaya ng sa addition, where B is not equal to 0 kasi nga po kapag naging 0 ang ating denominator, undefined na po ang ating magiging sagot.